This is what tens of millions of pounds made with Amazon FBA looks like. Earlier in the year, I invited some of my students into the heart of London to celebrate their success, giving out awards to my students in recognition for them making their first 10k, 100k or £1 million selling on Amazon. Looking across the room, there are those just starting out to those making millions, but what they all share is that they started with just one product. They all had that dream of creating their own business, building it to support their family, build a legacy, or just to get some beer money. But they knew that they couldn't do it alone. They needed a community, they needed support, and they needed a roadmap. That is what the Seller Pro Academy is all about. Now you can learn how to sell on Amazon on YouTube, you can join free Facebook communities, and you can use Amazon Seller Support all for free. But if you've ever had to do that, you'll know that YouTube is full of outdated, irrelevant, and often incorrect information. Free Facebook groups are filled with people trying to sell their services, and no one actually knows each other. And well, if you've ever used Amazon Seller Support, you will know that they are as supportive as a chair with jelly for legs. I started the Seller Pro Academy with these 3 pillars in mind. We have built over the years a community of sellers that actually know each other. They've met face to face, they've shared coffees, beers, and they've made lifelong connections in doing so.
With the Seller Pro Academy, everything is done in detail.
I think the course is quite inspirational.
It's been really helpful, really good, it's been excellent.
Way beyond our expectations in terms of course content, knowledge.
Johnny outlines everything in the course on a step-by-step basis.
We've built a support system so that they can always have a way to get help, no matter how big or small the issue.
And in Johnny, really, you've got a good coach, or you've got someone that's got the experience and is patient enough to talk to people and to give his time to mentor them.
We've made the world's most advanced Amazon FBA training and the only one in the world that's CPD certified. There's over 170 lessons with an additional 100 plus live masterclass recordings. They have standard operating procedures to make processes step by step. There's resources that can save you tens of hours and all of the best tools, discounts and connections in the industry.
But also it's the community element of it as well, like the ability to speak to people that are in the same boat further on behind you. You ask a question, people help you.
Everything you need to do to set up a company, to sell on Amazon, and all the challenges that you're going to face.
This is not an easy process, and that is why you want to have the support you can get from an academy like the Seller Pro.
We've taken people from knowing nothing about Amazon to exiting their business for cold, hard cash. And my vision is and remains to help ordinary people create extraordinary things just one product at a time.
I would recommend doing it.
I would 100% recommend doing Johnny's course.
I would highly recommend to everyone to do that course.
I'd say think less and do more. That's the advice I always give to anyone that's trying to start a business.
Just take action. If you're confident and you've done your due diligence, then just go for it, because you're not going to escape the rat race not doing anything.
So the real question is, can you afford to go it alone? Are you happy to make mistake after mistake with no one to turn to for help? Are you content with giving it your all but failing because you had the incorrect information? If you're not happy with that, then my question to you is this: would you like me to help you? Actually, scrap that. Would you like us to help you?